Let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. Watch our mouse here. We go to the top left of our chart. This is the menu. We click it. And if you scroll down, there's a little button that says keyboard shortcuts. Click this, and here you have a menu that will show you all of the keyboard shortcuts available to you so that you can speed up your process and chart faster. As you can see, chart, indicators and drawings, watch list and screener, Pine editor, trading, and alerts. It's all here. As an example, this here says open indicators / so that's our keyboard / open indicators / watch this. We pressed / on our keyboard, and here is the indicators and strategies menu. Super fast. So now we can add anything to our chart in under 10 seconds or possibly less if you're really fast. And let's go through some more of these keyboard shortcuts. And that's what this video is really about. It's about where to find the keyboard shortcuts menu. As we showed you, it's right here. And also putting them to work. So just going really fast to do things like alerts. So for example, we click alerts and check out all of these shortcuts available to us. By the way, we are recording this video from a Mac, so it shows us this option key. But if you're on a PC, this will adjust to show you the corresponding PC keyboard shortcut. In this case, though, as you can see, it says alerts, and it says option +A. So check this out. Why don't we go to actually a new chart here? In this case, we'll go to the Euro USD. And what we're going to do is hit option +A on our keyboard. Here we go. And just like that, the alert menu pops up. And now we can create an alert in seconds. We can choose how we want to get notified, select the exact level, the conditions, whether it's crossing above a price level, exiting a channel, moving a certain position, percentage, whatever we want. We can set these conditions, click create, get the alert delivered right to us just like that. And that is how we can use hotkeys to speed up our process. So we've shown you now how to get to the hotkey menu, the keyboard shortcuts. We just showed you how you can use this keyboard shortcut to create an alert, as well as all of these other options here. Why don't we go through one more? Let's talk about our watch list. So the watch list is right up here to the top right. We click, and now here's a watch list that we have. If we click this drop down, we can see all of the watch lists we've created. Remember, this is just an example. We've made these watch lists as demonstrations, but it does show how many watch lists you can create, how quickly you can delete watch lists or make adjustments to specific watch lists. Another example too is you can color code specific symbols, so you can almost create another watch list by making these color coordinations. You can see we have a red list here, we have a blue list, and you can do that really quickly by, for example, clicking the color flag and then selecting the color of your choice. But the point of this video, of course, is keyboard shortcuts. So let's say we want to add a symbol to our watch list. In this case, why don't we decide to pick, let's decide on how about a tech stock, and what we can do is Salesforce CRM. We'll click it. So we'll open this chart of CRM, and we can actually use a keyboard shortcut to add this to our watch list. We're going to press option +W, and there it is. Check it out. It's been added to our watch list just like that. A few other quick tips for the watch list, by the way, is when you have your watch list open, you can press the up arrow. So watch this area right here, and we're going to click up. We're going to click up again, and we're just going to keep clicking up. So you can very quickly scan your watch list by using these up arrows, and you can also go down by doing the same thing and clicking the down arrow. Now, let's say you don't want to have your watch list open. Maybe you prefer to keep this full screen right in front of you. Well, if you press space and up at the same time, you'll go through your watch list without it even needing to be open. So we're clicking spacebar and up now. But of course, if our watch list is open, we can just do up or down. So these keyboard shortcuts are really helpful for speeding up your process, and we wanted to give you a few examples in this video. But remember, here's the key. It's really up to you to go learn these quick shortcuts. It's right here. Click keyboard shortcuts. Check it out. All of this is available to you. For those who like to draw trend lines, as you can see, Option plus T will just immediately open the trend line tool. You see how fast that was? We're going to click Option and T on our keyboard, or press Option T. Ready? Oops. Let's redo that. Option T. And so now we've selected the tool. You can see it selected here. Click, and there's our trend line. You can see you can do the horizontal lines. So Option H, there's a horizontal line. Option H, horizontal line. All of these tools are available just with a few presses on your keyboard. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. We really encourage you to get started with this stuff. This will really just help you so much. It'll speed up your process. It'll teach you new ways to use the TradingView platform. For example, this one here, load chart layout, press period. This is really helpful. So if you save a lot of chart layouts, as you know, these are your chart layouts here, new chart layout, load chart layout. You can just press period on your chart and all of your chart layouts will open up right here, just like that. That's all it takes. Period. Here are all of the chart layouts available to you. So these keyboard shortcuts will just really help you master the TradingView platform, improve your process, and you know, like we were saying, it may teach you something new. We showed you an alert example. We showed you the watch list, how you can use these arrow keys to just quickly breeze through any symbol. And then, of course, we showed you some basic chart tools like open your indicators with slash, press period to open a save chart layout. It's all right here. So thank you for watching. And remember, in the comments below, if you've watched our video through the end here, please ask us any questions or suggest any feedback. Thanks for watching.